5 things I wish I knew as an aspiring product manager. Okay, thing number 1, prepare. And this sounds like super simple, but I really mean it. Like, prepare yourself for the role. And I'm not only talking about like taking courses and things like that, certifications. No, I mean the whole preparation for the new role. Like, understand what you will be doing on a daily basis, what will be your routine, and understand whether it is a great fit for you. I was super surprised when I discovered that most of my time I spend in meetings, talking to other people, discussing things, answering the questions, asking questions, and things like that. And I was not ready for that, and that was super frustrating for me because I imagined myself like doing a strategic work and, being creative, brainstorming ideas and things like that. But in reality, a lot of my time I spend in meetings as a product manager. And this is okay, but maybe this is not okay for you. So take your time, do your research, and understand whether it will be a great fit for you. Another important part of the preparation process is network. So join the product management groups, attend the webinars, attend the conferences. So you will have a chance to meet real people, real product managers, and ask them, what does it look like to be you? And getting that information from real people will help you to understand, first of all, that product manager is a vague role and it can be pretty different from company to company. Second, there are a lot of types of product managers, and you will be able to choose which type of a product manager will be the best for you. I mean, product manager in the gaming industry, or API product manager, or e-commerce product manager, or B2B software product manager, right? There are lots and lots of types of product managers, and you need to choose your own type of product manager, and you need to understand what sparks a joy in you, right? What type of product. And there is no better way to do that than to talk to real people. So don't waste your time, join the communities and start asking questions. Point number 2, transferable skills. I thought that I need to start from zero if I shift to product management, but this is not true. Your goal is to understand what transferable skills do you have. So you probably do something that will be useful for your product management career. You probably done some projects or activities that your future product management role will benefit. So don't waste your time, sit down and write down the list of transferable skills. It will help you in the interview process. It will help you in your new role during onboarding. Thing number 3, resume. And I did a lot of mistakes in my resume. First of all, I thought that replacing the title will do the thing. It did not, and it will not for you. Replacing the title to product manager or junior product manager will not do the magic. And I see that a lot of aspiring product managers do this mistake over and over again. So don't do that. If you want to create a product management resume, you need to rework your existing resume. Not just replace the title, not just, adjust some points, but you need to rethink your experience from the product management perspective. What experience, what transferable skills do you have that will help you to be successful in your new product management role? Number 4, focus on things that you are not good enough yet. So there are two main issues with product managers. First, they don't have a technical background, and second, they don't have a business background. So if you have lack of skills, you need to put more efforts in that area. If you don't have a technical background, spend your time with developers, make sure you understand what they are talking about. If you don't have a business background, make sure you understand the business side of your product. Why it is important? Because we, as human beings, we tend to do things we are comfortable with. So if you have a technical background, you will have that tendency to spend more time on the technical side of the product and avoid business side of the product, and this is not good for your future and for your career. So make sure that during your first steps you will cover that areas that you are not good enough yet. And not being good enough in some areas is perfectly okay. Just be aware that you need to spend more time in this area and make it good enough for your future career. And number 5, communications is key. The thing I didn't know that the most important part for a product manager is to be able to communicate and build relationships, because you need to build relationships with your development team, with your marketing team, with your support team, with your clients, with your partners. So you need to make sure you are prepared to do so. If you are an introvert, you need to think about whether you will be comfortable to doing that. Because if you are not, then you need to either find a workaround or a role with a limited number of communications, or maybe product manager's job is not like your thing, and that is totally okay. So these 5 things sounds complicated, and maybe now you're a little bit frustrated, but please don't, because product management is not a rocket science. There are a lot of people out there who shifted from different backgrounds, and they are great product managers. So you will be too. Don't be discouraged. Prepare yourself and move forward to your dream job. And I wish everybody to find your first product management job and enjoy it as I do. Thank you for being with me today, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you